everyone, welcome back to Burkeshire Farm. My name is Frank.
And I'm Jackie.
And we got a little surprise. You know, a lot of our earlier videos, we mentioned this little 8x8 wooden shed that we have back out here that we eventually wanted to make it a brooder. Well, we finally got it cleared out and we got our chickens in here. We made a brooder out of it. I brought power in, and we'd like to bring you along with us because we got another little surprise.
So what we did for this cage here is we put cardboard all the way around the outside, because what was happening is they would scratch the pine shavings and it was just getting all over the floor. So we're going to try and see if maybe this cardboard will kind of contain it a little bit. And then we're trying not to put it over on the other side where the water and the feeder's at, because all they kept doing was throwing all the the pine shavings flakes into the water and into the feed. So we figured every day that they get to go outside, we'll clean that one up real good by hosing it down and scrubbing it down, and hopefully the cardboard will keep the shavings in and we won't have as big of a mess. We'll see what happens.
Back over in this shed, here's the little surprise we were talking about. As you can see, our shed is just so cluttered in here that's why I was really kind of excited to get these chickens out. But here we are with chicken baby round 2. And just a little shout out to Mountain Grandma, because she said, well, when I was growing up, you know what we did? We threw them in a box. We just put them in a box and they stayed in that box until they were big enough to go out. Well, Mountain Grandma, we found a big box and that's what we did.
So now what we're going to do is move them also into the brooder shed, so that they'll be able to stay in there. All right, we're going on in. All right, got their little water, got them their feed. Frank's getting ready to hang the light to keep them nice and warm. These little guys over here, they look happy. They're running back and forth, jumping on the perches, getting a drink of water, getting something to eat, and then they run back over into the chips, and then they run back and forth. And so Frank has that on a strap that he can easily raise and lower it throughout the day, so that the chickies stay at the temperature that they need. And it's that easy to lower it. And then he just pulls on the strap and brings it back up when he needs to go back up. Frank has the lights all wired up, and you can see at the top up there, he has a surge protector so we can plug both lights in. And this is where Frank likes to sit.
This is my, what do you call that?
Happy place.
My happy place.
This is his happy place. So, and now he's in between both of the older baby chicks and the new baby chicks, the young baby chicks.
Yep.
So this is where he likes to sit. And what he's done with the heat lamps is put them on, what are those called? They're
straps. I've used straps to hang them, and I'd like to show you why. Because of the different temperatures during the day, really and truly these go up up and down quite a bit, should I say. I just hit this one little tab right here and I can drop them down very easily like this, or it's time to come up. Bring these up like this, take this down, I wrap it around, come back up through here to keep all this strap away from the heat lamp. But now during the day, during the day it's getting warm now, so they're pretty much off during the day. It's at nighttime when we're still getting down into the high 50s, low 60s. Especially these new babies, it's very important that they maintain at about 95 degrees for the first week, then down to 90 degrees the second week, 85 the third, so on and so forth. These chickens over here, these 8 chickens now that are a month old, they went out today for their first time. They're pretty much good. They really are. So in another 2 weeks, they're going to be going out full time, and it's a matter of concentrating on the new babies over here.
It's been a long day. We're hot, and it's time to relax a little bit.
Thank you very much for clicking on our channel, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for watching our videos and hitting that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please consider. Join us as we build this Barndominium out here at Burkeshire Farm, as we grow our poultry. And until next time,
have a blessed day.
God bless.